What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled and excited today to be sharing with you two new limited edition fall and winter sets from Merit Beauty. It's their 2024 holiday collection. So we have the Dress Code Signature Lip Set with limited edition shades and colors, along with the coordinating Merit Mini Flush Blush Trio, and we are going to try out these products together and create the three different signature looks using the blushes and the signature lips. A little bit about Merit Beauty. They're a minimalist beauty brand that create products that are safe for the body, skin, and earth. All Merit products are created with nourishing, non-pore clogging ingredients that protect the integrity of your skin and leave your skin looking even better long after your makeup is washed off. All first orders from Merit receive their signature Merit bag. This is such an adorable bag that you can keep all your Merit products in, whether you're traveling or whether you're just keeping them at home. So easy to use and just keep all your stuff nice and organized. All orders over $40 are free shipping from Merit, and when you're purchasing gift sets, you're saving about an average of 10% on the product. So it's a really good deal to check out some of the gift sets they have. They have a lot of sales actually going on as well right now on their gift sets. So if you're looking for early Christmas presents, or you're just looking to stock up on your Merit products, definitely check out the website. I will leave my link in the bio for you guys so you can shop any of the Merit products for yourself. As always, thank you so much to the Merit Beauty community for reaching out and gifting me these products. I am so grateful to be a part of the Merit community and showing you guys all the beautiful products that they have. They are standalone products. I use Merit on the daily. I love everything that I have gotten from these. Are our three shades in the Flesh Balm. We have Mood, Stockholm, and Bespoke. Mood is a soft burgundy shade. Stockholm is a baby pink, and Bespoke is a pink brown, and this is a new and limited shade to the collection. Flesh Balms are a creamy tinted blush that give you that lit from within glow. They are long lasting and they will not be cakey or clog the pores. These are definitely a standalone product for me. I will just put on a Flesh Balm and not have anything else on my face if I'm going for a makeup no makeup day. It is definitely a product that I'll reach to just to add a little color and flush and glow to the cheeks. They also have vitamin E in them as well, which definitely is hydrating and nourishing to the skin. So while you're wearing these makeup products, you are nourishing your skin as well. I absolutely love the packaging from Merit. It is so chic, definitely going with the fall and winter vibes. So these are the three signature shades with three different signature finishes, which is cool. We have a satin, we have a matte, and then we also have a lip stain, like a lip flush. So we have Black Tie, which is the signature matte, and these matte, although they're a matte finish, they do have a lot of hydration to them. They're very comfortable on the lips and they don't give you that dried out look. So this looks intimidating, but you can go in with one swipe just to get a little stain on the lips, or you can just keep building this one up. So this is, again, Black Tie. So this is kind of like that burgundy mauve shade. And then we have Bespoke, which is this nice pinky brown shade, more on the brown neutral. And this one is in a satin finish. Again, this is going to feel nice and lightweight and comfortable and hydrating on the lips. And now we have Du Jour, which is the signature lip light blush, lip blush. And this one is in like a soft mauve, and this is a limited edition shade and finish. All right, let's go in with the dressier combination first. So we're gonna go in with Mood and Black Tie. These look really dark, but they are universally flattering and you can build them up, but also this is gonna look really natural on the skin. I love a berry flush on the cheeks. I think it is so beautiful on anyone, especially during these fall winter months, and these are so easy to apply. So I'm just going to apply them with my finger and you can just smooth them over the cheek like that. Like, okay, this is giving such a gorgeous berry flush and just looks hydrating and healthy on the skin. Again, these are standalone products that you can just pop on. I don't have any foundation on. I just put a little bit of the signature moisturizer on from Merit just to give a little bit of hydration to the skin, a little bit of concealer, but look how beautiful that looks on the cheeks. Just a little extra flush. Grab my mirror for my lipstick application with black tie. Again, this is the Signature Matte in that deep berry tone. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in with a light hand and just add a little stain to the lip, kind of more towards the outer corner. Not the outer corner, but the outer line of my lip. That looks so beautiful. That is really giving life to my blue eyes and pairing so nicely with the blush. So chic. We're going to do the monochromatic look, so the pairing of the two bespoke products. This lipstick, this signature lip, actually was from the holiday collection of 2023, but was loved so much that they brought it back, so I'm so excited to try it out along with the Flesh Balm to go with it. So this is kind of like a look that it can be an everyday look, an evening look, whenever you want it. It's like a monochromatic look kind of goes with everything, whether it's work or going out or just running errands. Yeah, so we're going to go in with this pinky brown shade and we'll start that on the cheeks. These are so creamy and emollient, but give you such nice pigment, such nice lasting pigment. Okay, I am definitely in love with the shade. This is like, just wear it out every day, giving you that perfect tanned, flushed look, but also highlighted from the glowy finish. So gorgeous. You could even just pop this on your eyes as well. I like to pop the other one that I have on my eyes. Gorgeous. And you can just keep building this product and blending it into this one. Is more of a satin finish. Again, I'm just going to build it up lightly on the lips because I can't wait to try out the lip blush and see how that looks. And I don't want to put too much on the lips, but this is like my lips but better. How beautiful. How beautiful is that color? So nice and hydrating, and together creates that perfect monochromatic look, like a makeup, no makeup look. Super pretty. All right, now we're going to try the last pairing together. So we're going to go in with Stockholm, which is this baby pink, very natural looking, and the microfine pigment in these products just kind of blend right in and show your natural texture. That's what's so nice about Merit Beauty. You just keep your natural texture, your natural skin underneath these products, and they just make your skin look better. So we'll go in with this baby pink and see how this looks on the cheeks, on the apples of the cheeks. Just gonna pop it right there. I'm not gonna go up. I just want to kind of give a little flush to the apples of the cheeks, and you can see that right away. Really cute baby pink tone. Can even go on the nose a little bit. All right, now we are going to go in with the lips. So this is Du Jour. This is the new shade, the new limited edition shade and finish, the lip blush. So it is going to be like a lip blush with a diffused matte finish, still really hydrating and really pretty on the lips. And that's exactly what it is. You get this nice blush of color without being overly glossy. So to look a lot more natural on the lips. And how pretty are those pinky colors together. That is so definitely a perfect combo for every day. Just a diffused look on the lips. Just looks effortlessly chic. Just a little bit of flush, like you didn't even put anything on, but so pretty. You but better. All right, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you again to Merit for gifting me these products and keeping me a part of the community. I absolutely adore Merit Beauty, and so excited to show you guys the 2 new fall and winter limited edition gift sets. Definitely check them out for yourselves before they are gone. Like I said, my link for Merit will be in the bio if you guys would like to shop these products or any other Merit products. Highly recommend. Very, very beautiful products. They never miss and you will not be disappointed. So thank you again for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys again soon.